Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about solving one-step equations. To solve one-step equations, okay? The first example is x plus 10 equal to 15. X plus 10 equal to 15. We have to solve for x, okay? For plus 10, the reverse operation is minus 10. We have to do minus 10 on both the sides. Positive 10 and minus 10 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 15 minus 10 is 5. Okay. Coming to the second example, if we have x minus 16 equal to minus 8. In one-step equations, we are solving for the variable. We don't want minus 16. The reverse operation for minus 16 is plus 16 on both the sides. X will be equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay. The third example, a divided by 5 equal to minus 4. A divided by 5 equal to minus 4. The reverse operation for division is multiplication. So we are multiplying by 5 on both the sides so that it will isolate the variable a. When you multiply it by 5 on both the sides, 5 and 5 will get cancelled here because 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times a is a. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Okay. The fourth example, 8 times y equal to 72. 8 times y equal to 72. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. We have to divide it by 8 on both the sides. When you divide by 8 on both the sides, y equal to 72 divided by 8 is 9. Here this 8 and 8 will get cancelled. Okay. Coming to the last example, 18 equal to p plus 7. So in one-step equations, we are solving for the variable. So we want only the variable p. You don't want 7 next to that. The reverse operation for addition is subtraction. We will do subtract 7 on both the sides. P is equal to 18 minus 7 is 11. Okay. In one-step equations, we will solve for the x. To isolate the variables, we will do the reverse operations. For addition, we'll do subtraction. Subtraction, we will do addition. Multiplication, division. For division, multiplication. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about solving one-step equations. Thank you so much for watching.